Rain lashed against the windows of a rundown gas station, blurring the neon sign. A young black man, Marcus, nervously clutched a crumpled $20 bill. His hands trembled slightly as he approached the counter. Behind the counter, a weary-looking gas station clerk, Mrs. Rodriguez, stared blankly ahead, her expression tired and unwelcoming. Marcus requested gas, his voice barely above a whisper. Mrs. Rodriguez's eyes narrowed, a flicker of suspicion crossing her face. She slowly reached for the pump nozzle, her movements deliberate and hesitant. The air crackled with unspoken tension. A low growl rumbled from a customer in a beat-up pickup truck parked outside. Watching intently, Marcus felt a familiar wave of humiliation wash over him. He'd experienced this subtle prejudice countless times. He flinched, his shoulders slumping. That evening, after a long and draining shift, Marcus discovered a $20 bill tucked into his coat pocket. It was twice the amount he'd paid for gas. His heart pounded. He felt anger surge through him, a burning injustice. He slammed his fist on the counter. The next day, he returned to the gas station, his anger replaced with a determined resolve. The sun shone brightly, a stark contrast to the previous night's storm. He found Mrs. Rodriguez cleaning the windows, her face etched with worry lines. Marcus confronted her calmly, showing her the extra 20. She stared at him, her eyes widening in disbelief. A tear rolled down her cheek. She confessed that she had been struggling financially, facing eviction, and had mistakenly overcharged him. Marcus's anger dissolved into understanding, a wave of empathy washed over him. He didn't press charges, instead offering her a helping hand. He reached into his own pocket. He pulled out a much larger sum of money he'd saved for his daughter's college fund. He handed it to her, a small, hopeful smile on his lips. Mrs. Rodriguez gasped, her eyes filled with gratitude and remorse. That same evening, Marcus received a call. A prestigious law firm was offering him a position as a junior associate. The news stunned him. News cameras flashed as he accepted the offer, his daughter beaming proudly beside him. His hard work and unwavering perseverance had paid off. The final image shows Marcus, his daughter, and Mrs. Rodriguez standing together in front of the renovated gas station, now a vibrant community hub. A symbol of forgiveness and redemption. The camera pulls back, showcasing the restored building and the radiant smiles of the people within. Radiating warmth and hope against the twilight sky,